Okay, in this video, I'm going to show to you on how to perform operation of matrices by using calculator. Okay, first of all, you need to make sure that your calculator is in mat mode, matrix mode, MAT. Okay, choose 2. Okay, make sure there's MAT there. Okay, so now we need to key in the matrix A and B in the calculator. So to choose that, you see the button here, number 4. Okay, this button, written MAT there. So you have to press Shift 4. So now I ask for the DIM, number 1 dimension. You want to edit min matrix. First, you need to key in the dimension. Okay, choose 1. So dimension for matrix A is 2 by 2. So you press 2 and 2. Okay, so A11 is -1. A12 is 2. A21 is 0. A22 is 1. So settle for matrix A. Then AC, and then do once again for B. Shift 4, dimension matrix B now. 2 cosines 2. Okay, and then you substitute, or you key in B11 is 1, B12 is 3, B1 and B21 is -1. Okay, and then B22 is 2. Okay, you settle. Now your calculator already have the memory on matrix A and B. So what we need to do now is we want to plus A and B. Okay, to perform addition between A and B, same thing, Shift 4, and then now you press mat. Okay, because you want to call back the matrix. This 1, and then you choose any operation that you want, whether it's addition, subtraction, or multiplication. Oh, sorry, this plus. Then Shift 4, then choose another matrix B. So now this answer for 1, 1. So the answer is 0. And then you put this one, 5, -1, 3. Okay, so that's the answer. You can also perform A minus B. Okay, you see, choose matrix number 3, matrix A minus matrix B now. Okay, so here you can also get the answer. Okay, if you want to multiply matrix A and B, choose matrix again, matrix A, multiply matrix B. Okay, so that's it. We'll get the answer. Okay, so very simple. First thing is you need to key in the dimension, then key in the elements of each matrix. Then you just perform any operation. You can also find inverse, okay, and determinant. Okay, for example, you want to find determinant of matrix A, you choose that one. Okay, and then you choose the matrix, for example, matrix A. So you look at the determinant of A is equals to -1. If you want to find the inverse of A, you just choose the matrix itself, 3, say A for example, and then you just press this one. Okay, this button. Sorry, this one is mean inverse. So you'll get the answer. Okay, very simple. So I only have a solution or a tutorial for this type of calculator only. Okay, if you need, but you can explore by yourself for other model of calculator. Okay, thank you very much. That's it.